Want to switch to Tesco Mobile, but keep your number? Here's how it works. Porting your number means transferring your existing mobile number from your current provider to Tesco Mobile. The most important thing you'll need is a PAC, porting authorization code. This code, obtained from your current provider, authorizes the transfer and is valid for 30 days. Once you have your PAC-C code, get a new SIM or plan from Tesco Mobile. Provide the PAC when ordering. Tesco Mobile will then initiate the port. Remember, you need an active account with your current provider, no outstanding debts, and a compatible phone. You can use Tesco's porting checker tool on their site to verify feasibility. After submitting your PAC code to Tesco Mobile, the activation process will begin. Activation typically happens automatically once the port completes, often overnight. Insert your new Tesco Mobile SIM card into your unlocked phone. Standard porting takes 1 to 2 working days, but delays can occur. Common reasons for delays include provider errors, incorrect PAC details, or peak times. If your port is delayed beyond 2 days, you can contact Ofcom, the UK's communications regulator. The good news is that most ports are successful. Tesco Mobile aims to provide updates via email, SMS at each step, ensuring a transparent process. Be sure to double-check your PAC validity and settle any outstanding bills with your previous provider to avoid hiccups.